Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 BMW X7, a luxury SUV that's built to impress, both in terms of style and performance. With its sleek black exterior and high-end features, this vehicle is a perfect mix of sophistication and power. Let's get into the details of what makes this SUV such a standout in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 BMW X7 is a true head-turner. The black paint gives it an elegant, commanding presence on the road. BMW's signature kidney grille is larger than ever, giving the front of the car an aggressive yet refined look. The sleek lines and aerodynamic curves flow seamlessly from the front to the back, making it look fast even when it's standing still. The 22-inch wheels add a muscular touch to the design, while the chrome accents around the windows and grille add just the right amount of luxury. The sculpted rear end completes the look with integrated tailpipes and a sophisticated design that reflects the car's premium nature. Overall, the X7 has a bold, modern look that blends sportiness with elegance. Inside the cabin, the X7 continues to impress. The black leather interior is plush and luxurious, with every surface feeling premium to the touch. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with ample support for long drives, and the front seats feature both heating and cooling options, ensuring comfort no matter the weather. The dashboard is sleek and minimalist, dominated by a large curved display that houses both the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. The iDrive system is intuitive and easy to navigate, while also offering voice control and gesture recognition. The materials used throughout, from the wood trim to the brushed metal accents, give the interior a feeling of understated luxury. The cabin feels open and airy, thanks to the panoramic sunroof, and there's plenty of room for both passengers and cargo, making the X7 an ideal choice for families or anyone who loves to travel in style. As for performance, the 2025 BMW X7 delivers an exhilarating driving experience that's both powerful and smooth. Under the hood, you have a choice of engines, including a 3.0-liter inline-six and a 4.4-liter V8, depending on the trim level you choose. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and xDrive all-wheel drive, ensuring that power is distributed efficiently to all four wheels for maximum traction. And the acceleration is impressive, with the V8 engine especially providing plenty of punch when you need it. The X7 feels incredibly stable on the road, even at higher speeds, thanks to its adaptive suspension and precise steering. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the X7 handles it all with ease, offering a smooth, refined ride that's characteristic of BMW's engineering excellence. Plus, it's equipped with advanced driving aids, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring a safe and effortless driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 BMW X7 isn't exactly cheap, but it offers exceptional value considering its luxury, performance, and technology. The starting price for the base model is around $80,000, with higher trims like the M50 or Alpina B7 pushing the price closer to $100,000. If you want to add extra luxury features or customizations, the price can go even higher, but for those who demand the best in both style and performance, it's an investment worth making. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW X7 is a stunning luxury SUV that combines refined design, top-tier technology, and exhilarating performance. Whether you're looking for a family vehicle that's both practical and stylish, or an SUV that delivers the ultimate driving experience, the X7 checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest cars.